Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to add a new page on ClickUp document. Maybe your notes are too informative that a single page is not enough to document it. So today I'm going to show you how to add a new page on ClickUp document. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Docs. Within this list of documents, choose the one where you want to add a new page. Once you have opened the document, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Now, in this panel, you can now see this Add Page option at the top right. Simply tap on it. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can enter your desired name of the page. Once you are done naming the page, tap on Done to create the page. After that, you now have successfully added a new page on ClickUp document. You can now start on adding text or any other content that you want to insert in this new page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add a new page on ClickUp document, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add a new page on ClickUp document, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.